What's up? Today I'm going to show you guys how we stained these cedar doors and this ceiling with the pump sprayer. Got the hinges taped off and got the doors brushed off, make sure they're clean and everything. We're gonna put everything into the little pump sprayer to stain, and then we're gonna pump spray it on there, and then with the brush just touch up and do around the edges wherever we need. Done. I think they look pretty good. I did mess up. I didn't think about putting something down here on the floor, but I think it'll be all right. I'm gonna power wash the outside this week, so should be able to get it out, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the front cedar entrance. Guys, thanks for checking out the video on how we stained the cedar doors that we made and the entry ceiling that we made. So as always guys, if you liked the video and you would consider hitting that like and that subscribe down below, it helps YouTube know that we are doing a good job. So please hit that like and that subscribe. We'll see you guys next week.